Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Your French coastal escape, a house wrapped in the sea. Ever dream of waking up in a sunny French seaside village, with the sound of gulls and the scent of salt in the air? You can capture that effortless, breezy feeling right at home. The secret isn't a complicated renovation, but a thoughtful blend of relaxed textures and ocean-inspired hues. Imagine a palette of Seaglass green and crisp white, like foam on the waves, creating a serene backdrop throughout. The star of this look? Whimsical seashell motifs that whisper of beachcombing adventures. This is all about casual elegance, a place that feels collected and comfortable. Let's wander through this imaginary coastal house together and gather some ideas. Picture a soft stone facade with shutters painted the exact muted green of a piece of sea-tumbled glass. Climbing rosemary and hydrangeas in shades of blue and white tumble around the doorway. A gravel path leads you through a relaxed garden where lavender and sage spill onto the walkway. The overall feel is rustic and sun-bleached, never fussy or perfect. It's about creating that first impression of a home settled gently by the sea. You can almost feel the warm coastal breeze just looking at it. Step inside to a space that immediately feels airy and welcoming. The walls here are adorned with a delicate, large-scale seashell wallpaper in Seaglass and white, setting the theme right away. A simple weathered wooden console table holds a bowl filled with actual collected shells and pieces of smooth sea glass. Underfoot, a natural fiber rug adds texture. A Cape shell pendant light catches the sun, scattering little rainbows. This entryway isn't a formal hall. It's an invitation to kick off your sandals and stay a while. This room is the heart of the home, dressed in comfortable sun-washed linens and cottons. The Seaglass green appears on an accent wall or in soft throw pillows, complementing the neutral main walls. Think slip-covered sofas in cream, a jute rug and light oak floors. The seashell motif might appear subtly in embroidered pillows or framed vintage prints. Wicker baskets and a driftwood framed mirror add organic texture. The goal is a room that's light, bright, and perfect for lounging with a book or chatting with friends. Your sanctuary should feel like a peaceful cloud with a coastal whisper. Here, a feature wall behind the bed gets a beautiful, subtle seashell print in those signature tranquil colors. Crisp white linen bedding is layered with a lightweight Seaglass green knit throw. Rustic wooden nightstands and woven pendant lights keep the mood soft. Sheer, floaty curtains let the light filter in like a morning haze over the water. It's a retreat designed for the best, most relaxing sleep, lulled by the room's gentle rhythm. Gather here for long, laughter-filled meals that feel like a French courtyard lunch. A solid farmhouse table in pale oak is surrounded by mix-and-match cane-seated chairs. Overhead, a simple white plaster or rattan chandelier provides soft light. The seashell theme arrives on the table itself, in patterned china, embroidered napkins, or as a centerpiece of shells in a clear vase. Keep the walls a clean white to let the natural light and the green from the garden outside be the main art. It's effortlessly chic and always ready for a feast. This is a cook's kitchen that feels open and fresh. Think white shaker-style cabinets, marble-look countertops, and classic subway tiles. Seaglass green appears on the island base or in pretty canisters on open shelving. Display simple white pottery and woven bread baskets for texture. A small framed seashell print or a collection of green glass bottles on the windowsill nods to the theme without overpowering. It's functional, sunny, and has that lovely collected feel, as if everything was gathered from local markets. Transform your bathroom into a serene spa-like cove. Here, a stunning seashell wallpaper in full watery glory can shine, perhaps in a shower niche or on the main wall. Pair it with white wainscoting or clean white tiles for balance. Fixtures in brushed nickel or oil-rubbed bronze feel fitting. Plush white towels and a Seaglass green accent mat add softness. Finally, a glass jar of seashells, a simple candle, and a sprig of eucalyptus complete the calm, sensory experience. It's your own little private retreat, a fresh dip in the Mediterranean at home.